as you get older, like me, you have to watch what you eat, because if not, you tend to pack on the pounds. So I have found a solution, and it's called Saginaw Nutrition. Want to check it out? Let's do it. Hi, my name is Eric Ritenour, and I'm the Right Realtor, and today I'm showcasing Saginaw Nutrition as the place and my go-to place for a nutritional smoothie, shakes, and whatever I need to get my day going. I'm sitting here with Alyssa, one of my favorite people here at Saginaw Nutrition, and she's gonna walk us through what this place is all about.
So my name is Alyssa, like Eric said. We have been here in this shop for about going on 2 years in August. I got started in this business about 3 years ago. I was a stay-at-home mom, and I was just having a really hard time with things as far as my health and everything. I got introduced to Herbalife Nutrition, and it changed my life so much that I fell in love with the product, I fell in love with the business opportunity, and I just dove straight in with my best friend and started working out of her club in Oklahoma. And we decided that we wanted to expand, and so we jumped down here to Texas, and we love it here. She actually moved down here first and opened the shop, and then I was blessed enough to be able to come down here in June of last year and get to start working here as well. And we make healthy meal replacement shakes and energizing teas. The shakes are awesome. They taste like ice cream with 22 vitamins and nutrients. And our teas taste like a really good juice, Gatorade, or Kool-Aid with all of your 8 essential B and C vitamins. They're metabolism boosting. They're everything you need.
So what kind of transformations have you seen with people that have been coming in here?
With people that have been coming in here, I have seen a huge transformation of just confidence, energy levels. People they just love how amazing they taste and how they make them feel throughout the day with all the energy that they get. Yeah. I mean, you drink the shakes,
yeah,
you love them.
Well, that kind of gives you an idea what Saginaw Nutrition's about. I got an idea. How about you go make my favorite shake?
Absolutely.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, guys, so we are going to start with our base, which is our protein. And then we are going to put our healthy meal, which is our flavor. And what I am making him is the peanut butter waffle, which again is one of his favorites.
It is so good. And what is that? Are you going to share your secret?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
So just some extra ingredients, some extra protein with peanut butter powder versus peanut butter waffle, so it's going to have some peanut butter in there. Oats, cinnamon, and some maple just to give it that wow factor. Keep in mind, everything we add to this is obviously sugar-free and still really low and healthy for you guys. So we are going to start that.
Wow.
So while that's blending, I'm going to jump over here and I'm going to make a tea for him as well.
Wow, check that out.
It's amazing. It's a watermelon pineapple flavor. It's great for summertime.
Okay, so just to give everybody an idea, approximately how many calories would be in either one, actually?
So this right here, the shake, only has about 220 calories in it max.
Wow.
And then it has the 24 grams of protein in there, so it's going to be a full healthy meal replacement. And then this right here actually has 0 calories in it. It burns up to 120 calories per serving.
Wow.
So you put both of these together, 22 vitamins and nutrients, 8 essential B and C vitamins, put them together, and you're going to feel just absolutely amazing, guys. And it tastes great.
All right, well, here we go. Here's the real test. Now, I already know this is going to be great, so I'm just going to kind of fake like I'm surprised, but I'm really not. So here we go. Amazing as usual. I still can't believe this is only 200 calories because it fills me up better than having a full meal at lunch. So I can't highly recommend this enough. I'm going to taste this tea too. I don't normally get a tea because this fills me up so much. Wow, it tastes like the best iced tea I've ever had. So, and again, there's no calories in this, right?
No.
So, man, the proof's in the pudding. I guess it does taste like pudding, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But anyway, so you need to check this place out. So now you know how Saginaw Nutrition can help you get back into that healthy body. For more information about Saginaw Nutrition, check them out on Facebook, Instagram, or drop by at 1029 Saginaw Boulevard here in Saginaw, Texas. If you have any other questions about what it's like to live here in DFW, like the Saginaw area here, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Eric Ritenour. I'm the Right Realtor, and I would love to help you solve your real estate issues and help you make the right choice.